Imagine if you had a tool that showed you where big players put their money so that you can do the same and profit just like they do. Well, today is your lucky day because in this video, we will share with you the best smart money concepts indicator on TradingView platform. This tool shows areas of high buying and selling interest as well as consolidation zones. In other words, no trade zones. In this comprehensive video tutorial, we will give you a blueprint on how to turn this magic indicator into a profitable trading strategy, which will put you so far ahead of your competition. Are you ready? If so, hit that like button and subscribe to our fast-growing channel. It only takes a second. Without further ado, let's start the tutorial. Before we start, I would like to point out that this technical analysis indicator can be used for trading cryptocurrencies, stocks, and Forex. It is also effective for options trading. However, you should keep in mind that trading options involves a greater risk. That's why I recommend following the guidance of a professional. Easy Options Live Trading is an excellent service that gives you the opportunity to follow the lead of a pro options trader who gets a consistent 80% plus win rate. His signals are highly accurate and the process is very simple. All you need to do is attend daily live streams during market open and enter and exit trades along with Winger in real time. In addition, you'll learn high win rate strategies that will serve you for a lifetime. In my opinion, this is an excellent investment in yourself as a trader. If you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description. To add this indicator to your chart, simply log into your TradingView account and open any chart. Currently, I am viewing the Solana price chart on the 15-minute time frame. Open the indicators and search for smart money breakouts by Chart Prime. Let's thank the creator of this wonderful script. This tool is quite easy to understand. It has multiple features that help traders analyze market prices on a deeper level. Just take a look at how much clearer the chart looks with this tool enabled. We can see areas of high demand and high supply that result in a price increase or decrease. These initial price movements often form a long-term trend. This is where large institutions place their orders. The Smart Money Breakouts indicator spots these orders very well. With this tool, we can enter the market early and be on the side of the big players. The indicator produces buy signals whenever the price forms a new swing high. If the previous high is broken for the first time after a downtrend, the indicator marks it as a change of character. If the high gets broken again after a change of character, the indicator marks it as a break of structure. Similarly, if the previous low is broken for the first time after an uptrend, the indicator identifies it as a change of character. In simple words, the trend switches from bullish to bearish. A sell signal is produced on the breakout. The Smart Money Breakouts indicator shows areas of high buying and selling pressure as well as consolidation periods. You can spot these areas easily by looking at the candle coloring. Another interesting feature of this indicator is the take-profit target price. For example, as soon as the buy alert is received, the indicator plots a target line above the current price. You can choose to follow it or set your own target. In the indicator settings, you can customize these parameters to make the indicator more or less sensitive to price movements. For example, you can change the swing length. This number affects signal accuracy. You can also select the breakout type and the target multiplier. Overall, this indicator is a gem. We're happy to share it with our viewers. All we're asking in return is to like this video and subscribe to Magic Indicator Strategies. All right, so now we know how this indicator works and what its features are. Let's build a profitable trading strategy with the Smart Money Breakouts tool. For that, we'll need to add one more powerful indicator to the chart. This indicator is called Volume Profile Bar Magnified Order Blocks by Jacob Maglaby. I cannot stress it enough how essential this tool is. The Volume Profile Bar Magnified Order Blocks is an innovative and unique trading indicator designed to provide traders with a clear understanding of market dynamics. This tool takes the concept of identifying order blocks on your chart and elevates it by integrating a detailed volume profile within each order block zone. Unlike standard order block indicators, the volume profile bar magnified order blocks indicator pulls data from lower time frame bars and assigns it to various segments of the order block. By providing this volume profile inside the order block, the indicator supplies a deeper, multi-dimensional view of market activity that can enhance your trading decisions. If you're a beginner and the term order block sounds complex to you, here's a simple explanation. Order blocks, in trading, refer to a chunk of buy or sell orders of a particular asset, like a stock, currency, or commodity, at a specific price level, placed by traders or investors in the market. These blocks can significantly influence the price movement of the asset because they represent areas where there is substantial interest in buying or selling. Let's look at a practical example of how this indicator can be used in trading. After this strong uptrend, the market started to slow down. The price is struggling to form a new high. Sellers jump in and push the price down while buyers take their profits. The indicator found a large number of sell orders placed around this price. It marked it as an order block. This order block has a significant amount of volume inside it, which will affect how the market reacts to it. Now let's look at what happened when the price approached this order block. We saw an immediate rejection. Such a level of resistance is extremely hard to break. That's why it is in our best interest to follow smart money. Now let's combine the volume profile bar magnified order blocks indicator with the smart money breakouts tool into one trading strategy. The strategy rules are simple. You buy when the following is met. First, the price retests the order block. Second, the smart money breakout indicator gives a buy signal. That's it. We need to keep the rules simple. No need to overcomplicate things. The stop loss should be placed at the recent swing low, and the target should be twice the risk. You can take a partial profit once price reaches the indicator target. To sell the security with this strategy, you first need to wait for the price to retest the order block. Once this happens, look for an immediate sell signal. Place the stop loss at the recent swing high and target 2 times the risk. Traders, I hope you understand this trading strategy. Make sure you do thorough testing on a demo account first. Get used to seeing these trade opportunities instantly. Only then should you try this method on a live account. If you have any ideas on how to improve this trading strategy, please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.